Hey there, Tim and Eric Tillman back at you. This is my industrial maintenance loadout of the SB-LDT, and I'll show you what I've got in here. A lot of this is some of the stuff I've had in some of my other videos. I've kind of changed it up just a little bit. Maintenance person in industrial maintenance. This is kind of just the basics what I carry. So in the front here I have some jumpers and my temperature setting and all that in this. What I like about this on the SB-LDT is it actually, you can get to it from two different directions. So you open it from the front or the back. You just got to make sure you close one end before you open up the other one, and you can kind of see through here. So on this one, I actually start in the back because I wanted to show you something that I really like about this bag. It has the area back here for the your meters, or delicate instruments, I guess you could say. And of course it has a flat back here. You can put hard to do one-handed. You can put like an iPad in here, and right now I have some lockout tagout stuff in here in the back. But this panel right here, let me pull this down. This is the V-swap panel, and this one actually comes with it. This V-swap panel right here actually comes with it. Right now I have a Fluke 325 and I have a Testman. This is the Testman TCM 300D, and I've been using this one a little bit with alligator clips on it when I'm doing stuff inside, because it's easier to read. My eyesight's getting a little rough, and then so I use the Fluke 325 as my normal meter. But I have I wanted to show you this because this is probably one of the most important things. This is a Fluke 376 FC. This is a big meter. This thing is about 10, almost 11 inches tall. And once you get it down in there in the little neoprene sack, you can see there's almost 2 inches of room above this thing. So this will take a meter. I don't know if there is any meters out there. I've seen some of the HVAC meters. Some of them have pieces that the clamp and replace it with another set. I know I've seen them out there. I'll kind of leave a link in the description, but some of those meters are bigger, even bigger than this. And this 376 FC, like I said, it's a huge meter, and you can see how much bigger it is than my Fluke 325, and it fits in there just really, really well. So if you have a fairly big meter supplied by your work or whatever, just know this will actually fit in there. So I've been using my Fluke 325, and I had a 324 plus and it broke, so I just got a new one. So that is in here. Up here there's like a little netting. I keep alligator clips and my temperature little probes right there. And you could put more stuff in here, but I basically just have kind of the necessities. And so that zips up, and of course you got the hook if you haven't seen my other video on this. And I've got my lockout tagout stuff here on the back. And then again, you can, so this is a like a 9-inch iPad and with a case. If you take it out of the rugged case, it'll actually fit, but if you have it in the case, it will not fit in here. In case you're looking to you can probably put a smaller tablet in there, 7-inch tablet, probably 7 to 8-inch tablet in there, no problem. Or like I said, you just take the big case off of that one and fit it in here. So, but right now, like I said, I just have some lockout tagout stuff in here. Just keep them in and out of the way. And then over here on the side, I just have a couple lockouts in here. I'm going to show you here in a minute why this is empty right now. And then this right here at the front, I have a Makita. I got the SAE and metric set of 1/4-inch sockets, and then a 1/4-inch bit from Harbor Freight, and the piece that goes with it. I have a little small wrench. I can actually put a bunch of more stuff in there if I wanted to. This is actually fairly empty. And over here, I have my 1000-volt screwdriver from Wise Pro, and all the bits that go to it back here. I've got a little mirror, Milwaukee flashlight. I've got some Sharpies down in there, ink saws, and a Milwaukee wire stripper. And I got a cleaned Klein non-contact tester, and of course the tape loop that comes with it. So I already showed you this front here, and here I just have a stubby up here in the top, and these are old drill bit cases, and I'm gonna put parts in. In the back of here, I've got some flush cuts from Kaiweets. I like those. These are wire strippers and flush cut. So I just have those. I have the Wise Pro needle nose, just a regular vice grip wrench, adjustable wrench, a Klein adjustable wrench. I have the Klein, I think these are 10-inch pliers. I've got the 7-inch right here, and the 7-inch orange handle ones as well, both from Klein. And then here I've got the Klein, this is the K12-075. These are you've probably seen my video on these. These are fantastic. I like them because they're kind of in between. They're wire strippers and kind of linemen's all and wrapped up in one. I don't have to grab several different tools. I got a fuse puller. I have a down here for lockout tagout. I even have a bit, a little bit set down here from Wera, and I have a couple 9/16 and a 1/2-inch wrench in there. I don't even know why those are in there actually. I think it was left over from a job I just did. And I've got my 14-in-1, kind of a tweaker screwdriver, old toothbrush I use for cleaning off contacts and stuff. So just the basics in here. I really like this bag though, because I was carrying the MB2B, and I wanted just a little bit more. The MB2B is fantastic. It's a great bag. I was using that up till a few days ago. And you know me, I like to change it up and see what fits and what doesn't fit in these bags. And so I really like the SB-LDT. This bag actually fits in a standard half-size locker. So if you work in a facility that you want to lock your bag up at the end of the day, which I do, I went to put this stuff in my locker, and then I found out the SC45 fits in right here in the side. So if I want to, I can just instead of putting this on my, like I said, this is about 2 pounds. So instead of having this on my, trying to pull it out one hand. Had to put the phone down for a second. So yeah, I found out kind of by accident. I didn't have anything in there yet. I was going to try to put my 12-volt DeWalt driver in there, and it wouldn't really fit very well. Or a Milwaukee 12-volt would probably fit down in here just easily. I found out that this, if I don't want to carry this on my belt, now I just want to carry it with the rest of my tools, I just stick it in here and away I go. It's all ready. So that's why I left this one empty, and then I still have a couple spots right here for tools. Now this one right here is actually open on the bottom, so you can see my finger down in there. But these two are enclosed, just like most of the other ones on the other side. So I just wanted to show you that. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim Air, back at you.
I'll be back.